name is Joe, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make chicken adobo. Alright, so what I have here is I have a whole chicken. This is a whole chicken, and I've cut it up. A whole chicken, you buy a whole chicken, that's the cheapest chicken you're going to get. Cut it all up, and what I've done is threw it in the pan with a little oil, and I'm actually kind of browning it. So this is just going to sit for a little bit to brown. You want a little bit less, I guess you can kind of figure out based on what you see your proportions. So if you come over here, here's the rest of the chicken. I got some garlic, and you need lots of garlic. So for that, a whole chicken, I'd say probably all of this. So that's what, like 5 cloves. So you're just gonna crush them. Don't really need to chop them really fine because you want it to be able to withstand about an hour of simmering. That's about how long it's going to take. So just kind of chop it up coarsely. Okay. Alright, so you got some garlic there. Throw that in the pan. Give it a good stir. Right about now, I mean, it's not all brown, but you can turn it down right now. Let the garlic kind of settle in. And then now we need to get some onion, yellow onion. So, put some yellow onions here. Yellow onions, and these are pretty big onions, so I'd say we'll use 2/3 of it. Alright, so let's clean up the onions, take that off, take that off. What I usually do is put a little slice right there. Just takes off that first layer. Go. So chicken adobo is like really simple to cook. It just takes a little bit of time for prepping, and then it takes at least a good hour. I mean, you can do it in half an hour, let it simmer, but it won't be as good. It won't be off the bone, falling off the bone good. So make sure you recycle your greens. Okay. Remember, when you're working with raw chicken, you just got to remember what you're touching. So take that, and you don't want these too fine either. I kind of make them in like 3/4 inch squares, like that. Now we'll just put the whole thing in there. The more the merrier. That in there. Okay, you know what? It might be a little too much, so we'll take, like I said, 2/3 of that onion. Okay. Alright, so we got onions, garlic, and the chicken, a little bit of oil. Okay, so now we're going to put in our liquids. Okay, so our liquid's gonna consist of cup. Okay, we are gonna bring out the regular white vinegar, and of course we need some soy sauce, and we need lemon. So we are gonna, now the soy sauce is gonna determine how salty it's gonna be. The last time was just a tad salty, and I put 3/4 cup to 1/2 cup of vinegar. So this time I'm gonna tone down a little bit on the soy sauce. Okay, coming up to 1/2 cup now. So I'm gonna go, I think that's 2/3 cup of soy sauce. Okay. Okay, so remember, turn down your heat earlier, because when you pour this in, if it's too hot, you're just gonna get splashed. Okay, so then we're gonna put half a cup of vinegar. The vinegar gives the tardiness, of the adobo. The soy sauce creates the saltiness, the vinegar, the tardiness, and a lemon gives it, the sourness. Now some people put bay leaf. I just don't have bay leaf, but bay leaves are good. That kind of contrasts it. Okay, so put the lemon in there, squeeze the whole lemon. Seeds, alright. By the time you're done with this, seeds will be gone, disintegrated. Okay, so now it looks like my liquid's a little low, so what I'll probably do is add a little bit more in the same proportion, just to give it a little more liquid. So I'm going to put, as long as you stay in your ratio, that was originally 2/3 cup soy sauce to a half a cup of vinegar. So this one's 1/3 a cup of vinegar, soy sauce, and then just about this little bit of vinegar. Okay, vinegar. Okay, then we're gonna put some water in. We'll put about a half a cup of water. Alright, so now you turn it up, because you want to turn it up so you can bring that to a boil. Okay, we still need pepper. Ground pepper is okay, but for adobo you really want almost whole peppers, and you crush them, and it really intensifies the flavor with the peppers. So this is like whole peppers with a grater, so this is perfect for adobo, because you can kind of get it fine, but yet it's coarse at the same time. Okay, so you need a lot of pepper. A lot of stuff in there. Okay, so that's pepper. I don't know how much that is. It's probably a couple of teaspoons. I don't know, a teaspoon. Okay. So let's see. So we got the garlic, we got the onions, we got the peppers, we got the lemon, we got the chicken, soy sauce, and vinegar, and a little bit of water. That's pretty much gonna do it. So what we're gonna do now is cover it, and you want to bring it to a boil, and then once it comes to a boil, you want to lower it, and the flame should be just high enough, the heat should be just high enough to let it simmer, you know, not really hard simmer, but a medium to soft simmer. Do that for about an hour, and then you let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then you got yourself a great adobo chicken meal. We'll see. Hi, okay, so it's Joe again, and welcome back. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's just hard simmer. So you want to let this go about maybe the first 15 minutes like this, and then turn it down, and the next 40 minutes or so you want it a lower, slower simmer. We'll see you later. Can't wait to taste this.